Good day, everyone. I want to talk about a specific kind of frustration today that I think a lot of us carry around silently. It's that heavy, hollow feeling you get when you give your absolute 100% to people, whether it's a client, a colleague, or just someone outside your inner circle, and they can't even find the decency to say thank you. You go the extra mile for them. You stay up late, you stretch your boundaries, and you solve their problems because that's just who you are. You operate with a strong work ethic, but when the dust settles, they take what you gave them, turn it around, and walk away without a single word of appreciation. It hurts, and the immediate human reaction is to take it personally. You sit there overthinking in your mind, and your mind is racing. You have that mixed feeling of anger and regret. You start wondering if you did something wrong, or why people can be so incredibly ungrateful. It eats away at your peace, and honestly, it can ruin your entire week, or even your entire day if you actually let it. But over time, I've had to realize something very brutal about human behavior. We have to stop taking everything personally. The truth is, not everybody sees the world through the same lens that you do. People have their own filters, their own stresses, and sometimes just a massive sense of entitlement. That's just who they are. They might see your extra effort as part of the deal, or sometimes they are simply they think they are owned what you did for them. They don't see the sacrifice behind the 100% because they aren't wired to look for it. When you expect people outside your home to validate your hard work, you're actually setting yourself up for constant disappointment. You're handing over control of your happiness to a transactional relationship. Your mental bandwidth is not an unlimited resource, and burning it up through overthinking of ingratitude of strangers is actually losing the game. So, if you are going to pour out your absolute best energy, you need to be incredibly intentional about where that investment goes. It belongs at home. In the professional world or in the public space, people are always going to look for faults. They will analyze your mistakes, track your misses, and judge you based on entirely on what you've done for them lately. But your family, they operate on an entire different currency. Your partner, in my case, my wife, your children, they don't look at you through the corporate checklist. They don't judge you based on a flawless performance. When you stumble or make a mistake at home, they don't see it as a failure. They see a father and a husband who are really giving his best. They see someone who shows up, who protects them, and who deeply cares about their well being. They value the effort itself because they value you, not because what they can expect or extract from you. I wanted to make this video today so that everybody understands that we shouldn't take everything personally. And if you've walked out of a situation recently where you felt completely taken for granted, just take a deep breath and let it go. Stop trading your highest quality of emotional energy for zero returns. Take that 100%, pack it up, and bring it through the door when you get home. Pour it into the people who will look at you and see a hero purely because you care. Let the outside world point fingers and forget their manners. Your peace of mind belongs to your family. and they don't deserve to be treated in such a way where you get home without any energy left. So, thanks for listening to me today, guys. I really appreciate it. And as always, keep it real, keep it authentic, and I'll see you in the next one. Lekker bly.